pocket operator's arrived, Amazon man has come, so I'm going to do an unboxing, because that's what YouTubers do, right? There's no actual tea in this. Right, that was a lot of setup time for not a lot of reward, but it was fun. Have a little tea break and yeah, let's get the first play with it. Hooray, check this thing, the pocket operator is here. In comparison, this is the RCA cable that I bought with it. This is actually bigger than this. Let's open it up and see. It's gotta be done. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's the front. There's the back. Oh, it's got a little stand. Oh, whoops. It's AAA batteries. I filmed that a few weeks ago and obviously I didn't really know what I was doing. I've since figured out this thing and it's absolutely amazing. I really enjoy playing with it. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but that's a good thing. And it has like kind of really nice crunchy sound really. It's a bit lo-fi and yeah, everything about it is very tactile and fast basically. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial about it. It's not going to be the first one online, there's probably plenty already there. But yeah, I'm going to chuck this onto the decks and have a little scratch and see if we can come up with some nice patterns and sounds and stuff.
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Don't stop, 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 stop.